Hi everyone, in this Oclef video we'll be discussing practicing backwards. Working backwards is a tool that helps break apart hard note clusters or fix mistakes that you learned while practicing. The tool is best used for very small sections of music, especially where there are complicated arpeggios or runs. And it is particularly useful when it comes to switching hand positions. I'm going to demonstrate this tool using a C major arpeggio in 2 octaves. When working backwards, I'm going to start with the last note of the arpeggio and play it backwards, adding a note every few repetitions. And when I'm comfortable with that, I'll go back a couple beats and see if I can play that chunk comfortably. The purpose of working backwards is it forces you to slow down and visualize the chord or arpeggio in pieces. And this concludes our video on working backwards. Thanks for watching.